Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. India, the daily case load on Tuesday plugged to 4-month low. The bulletin by the Health Ministry said at 34,703, India logged the lowest cases in the 111 days. The official data said the number of COVID fatalities has also gone down. The Health Ministry says that 553 people lost their lives due to COVID and related complication in the last 24 hours. This was the lowest fatality figure in 91 days. The national recovery rate has improved marginally to 97.17%. While all these indicators show huge relief to people, to the acute healthcare worker, doctor and other related staff, it is low vaccination rate that may emerge as the new head check for the authorities. We had reported yesterday about how to week on week study shows some troubling sign in the ongoing vaccination drive. The health ministry says that 45 lakh people were vaccinated on July 6. This is much lower in comparison with the first week of the new program that saw around 60 lakh COVID jabs each day. Remember, the lower daily vaccination rate will only add to the overall target and will widen to the shortfall. The center has said that it will target 1 crore daily COVID jabs from July-August at current rate. This seems a bit difficult, but still we have the infra to achieve the goal. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy, healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800258760. At least 17,446 people were reported to have died in jurisdiction and police custody, nearly 5 a day on average in case registered in the decade to March 2020, according to the latest data from the National Human Rights Commission (NHRC). This year alone, in the 7 months to July 2020, NHRC reported 914 deaths in the custody, 52 and of these in police custody. Torture in the police custody is routine in India, expert says, and is mostly used. Crores suspect to give information and build evidence during the investigation. It is also used by jail officials to settle scores with suspect. The absence of law against custody torture, lack of reform in police governance and accountability, underdeveloped interrogation and forensic technique, and limited option for prospectus of hearing officials are to be blamed. Expert says on of 15,759 cases recorded over a decade in NHRC data, 92% of deaths were in jurisdiction custody, which can extended up to 60 or 90 days, and 1,387 in the police custody, which can last only 24 hours unless extended by the magistrate for up to 15 days. Not all deaths in judicial custody are the result of torture or beating and can be due to the elements or medical negligence, but those in police custody tend to be the result of violence. Expert told India spent there are more deaths in prison jurisdiction custody because there are More people in custody. All of deaths in the prison are not necessarily because of torture. It could be due to the medical negligence or old age. Subhas Chakma, coordinator NCAT. Therefore, the number of deaths in judicial custody are higher. One such case happened today in Barakar, IC of Asansol Durgapur Police Commissariat. Here is the report after the break. Motion Open Scholarship Test for class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 943482278. Barakar IC. After the death of the accused in police custody, a large number of stones fire in the road and police vehicle stopped in Barakar Fadi, followed by the death of an accused in the police custody of Barakar Fandi of Asansol Durgapur Police Commissariat. Barakar become a battlefield. Seeing the uncontrollable situation in Barakar, Sri Ajay Kumar Thakur, Commissioner of Police, Asansol Durgapur Police Commissariat himself reached the spot and took stock the situation. He said that Amarnath Das, in charge of Barakar Fandi, the Prasanto Kumar Pal, a police officer, have been suspended. This unfortunate incident will be thoroughly invested and those found guilty will be brought to justice. Editor Vikas Prasad, reporter MD Adil Lali Prasad Gupta.
मारते मारते ले गया हमारे पास ज़्यादा नाम नहीं है। आपको जो खबर है हम इस पर रख लेना। हमारे एसीपी इंक्वायरी कर रहे हैं और भी लड़के हैं, सबसे पूछ रहे हैं। जितने लोग होंगे आप यकीन मानिए उसका हम एक्शन करें। नॉट ओनली दैट, सीरियस एक्शन। यदि लगता है कि ऑफेंडर बहुत ज़्यादा दोषी हैं तो हो सकता है पुलिस वालों की गिरफ्तारी भी हो। वो डिपेंड करता है।
वो जो ऑफिसर है उसको ऐसा नहीं कि यहाँ सस्पेंड करके कहीं और भेज दिया जाए, उसको बैठाया जाए।
अरे रुक ना रुको, पुलिस मैं ऐसी बताऊँ, आप शाम के से बात बोले नहीं थे लेकिन हम सुबह सस्पेंड। हमारा ऑर्डर देखिए, सुबह 8 बजे का ऑर्डर है, ठीक है ना, आपके बोलने से पहले ऑलरेडी उन लोगों को जो क्लोज
और इसका मुआवजा क्या होगा?
सर हम लोग 2 फेज में बात करना है।
मुआवजे की बात है।
सर हम लोग 2 फेज में बात करना है। एक की जो दोषी है, कल्प्रिट को सजा हो, दूसरा की जिसके साथ ये मामला हुआ है एक्यूज्ड के साथ, उसके साथ कोई कंपनसेशन हो, कंपनसेशन हो।
मैं दो चीज
वायदा सर अर्निंग मेंबर हुआ करता इन फ्यूचर।
मैं दोनों चीज बताता हूँ। एक चीज की गारंटी है लीगल एक्शन, जो दोषी हैं सजा हो। ऑफ कोर्स दूसरा जो कंपनसेशन है, समय दीजिए, बहुत सारे तरीके कंपनसेट करने के।
कंपनसेशन में कितना देखें, काफी टाइम वी आर डिमांडिंग हियर सर देन एंड देयर सॉल्यूशन।
मैं चूंकि पुलिस अफसर हूँ तो मेरे हाथ में कंपनसेशन नहीं है, लेकिन मैं कराऊंगा तो ठीक है, ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, मैं कराऊंगा।
कंपनसेशन में तो बहुत समय भी लग जाता है सर। नहीं समय जल्दी
देखो मैं एक चीज बताऊँ, मैं पुलिस को ऐसा तो कमिट नहीं करूँगा, मेरा केयर बहुत सारी चीजें मैडम है, ठीक है ना, और भी चीजें हैं, बहुत सारे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में है, हम लोग हर जगह हाईलाइट करेंगे। और कंपनसेशन ये 3 दिन 4 दिन में नहीं होता तो बताइएगा हमको।
सर यू से हाउ लॉन्ग इट विल टेक सर?
सर आज होना चाहिए। संजय भैया जो होगा आज
आप कितना
आज क्या आज हो जाए सर, हम लोग जो होगा आज होगा।
दो तरीके हैं ना, एक तो होता है कि इसको मूव करके गवर्नमेंट से सर्विस वाले की बात होती है, ठीक है। दूसरा तरीका होता है कि जो कैश कमाने कुछ होते हैं, ठीक है ना, जो भी इख्तियार में होगा, जो भी जायज होगा सब हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना। इसमें हमारा कमिट करने वाली कोई बात नहीं होनी चाहिए, लेकिन होगा नहीं होगा तो हमारे सुनिए काम कंपनसेशन पर रास्ते में तो नहीं हो सकती। शाम को बैठ के,
शाम को नहीं होगा, आज ही होगा। और बढ़िया रहेगा।
उससे पहले 2 चीज करना, पहले अभी तक हमारे हाथ में कंप्लेंट नहीं है, बात आप कर रहे हैं सभी, हम सुबह से।
Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. It is alleged that the police picked up a young man from the area on Monday night. He died Tuesday morning. After this news spread, this area became a battlefield. The urged mob vandalized the Barakar police station. A vehicle also caught fire. The area became furious. A section of Barakar resident alleged that a young man named Arman Khan was detained by Barakar police on Monday night. Arman's family member reached the outpost on Tuesday morning and found out that he had fallen ill and was admitted to Asansol District Hospital. Going there, it is found out that Arman has died. After this, the situation became explosive. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. After the death of Arman Khan, a 25 years old suspect in the need of Barakar PP under Kulti police station, an atmosphere of chaos was created in Barakar city on Tuesday morning. As soon as news was received, police reached from the attack of Antio in Barakar PP and saved this life. Police fired about 13 rounds at two ammunition to save lives. Local hurled 3 rounds of stone at the police in front of Begunia Turn and Fandi Road, in response to which the police cracked the sticks. Meanwhile, a police vehicle located in PP was vandalized and a police van was set on fire. 2 motorcycles located in PP were also vandalized near Ara Dangal, outside the house of the deceased in Station Road. The incident of arson was reported by the protesters in Begunia Turn, demonstrated against the police by blocking road at 3 places, while the administration took down the raffle with the women police. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Kalam Ansari, father of the deceased Arman Ansari, a resident of Barakar, Aradangal, explained in detail about the incident and demanded an imperial injury into the incident from the district administration and the culprit be punished in the same manner the way my son has been given. The deceased Arman Khan was the only son after a sister Neha. Kalam Ansari, father of the deceased Kecha, has told that the police broke the door and entered the house at around 12:30 p.m. I asked the police several times, but the police did not give any answer and took me away in a red car. At 5 o'clock in the morning, when he was going to offer prayer, the security guard Iyaz took the boy to the Kulti police station. At 9:30 in the morning, a man has become from Kulti police station and said that Bada Babu has been called. Your son has been sent to Asansol District Hospital for treatment, but due to the excessive beating, he died in need.
चलो इधर वाला ले लेंगे, चलो इधर चलो ना चुपचाप।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Let us hear what TMC leader says. Former MLA of Kulti Ujjwal Chatterjee reached the spot and said that a written complaint of the incident should be registered and there should be an imperial investigation. He has also demanded action from the police officer against drug mafia. The culprit is arrested. During this, former councillor Pappu Singh, Bhavan Mukherjee, etc. were present. Former Deputy Mayor Tabassum reached the spot and encouraged the family member of the deceased.
एक मिनट अब से मास्क थोड़ा ढीला करके आवाज आ जाए। हाँ। फिर से बढ़ाकर में आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
बढ़ाकर में मालूम चला कि ऐसा घटना हुआ डिप्टी मेयर
घटना क्या हुआ?
यहाँ पे कल रात में चोरी का मामला में किसी को अरेस्ट किया गया था, बच्चा को अरमान नाम का। तो उसके साथ प्रशासन मतलब यहाँ के लोग के इंजाम है कि प्रशासन ने उसे मारा, वहाँ पे स्पॉट डेड।
बच्चा कहाँ का? बढ़ाकर का?
बढ़ाकर का ही
मारा गया कुल्टी थाना में?
नहीं, बढ़ाकर फाड़ी ही में।
बढ़ाकर फाड़ी में?
यहाँ से फिर बॉडी को कुल्टी थाना भेजा गया, वहाँ से पोस्टमार्टम के लिए।
तो आप बढ़ाकर के अंतर्गत आते हैं?
मैडम तबस्सुम के अंडर में पड़ता 409 में, कारपोरेशन के अंदर में पड़ता 409।
ओके, इसलिए आप किसके पक्ष में हैं? क्या चाहते हैं आप?
पक्ष में मतलब क्या जो है तो प्रशासन से, जो भी ऑफिसर से, प्रशासन से, अभी एसीपी से हमसे बात हुई। एसीपी साहब ने कहा कि जो ऑफिसर था उसको हमने सस्पेंड कर दिया है और जो भी लीगल एक्शन है प्रशासन उसको लेगा।
आपके हिसाब से क्या गलत हुआ है, किसके साथ?
केस देखने के बाद मालूम चलेगा ना।
आपको अभी जानकारी पूरी नहीं है। ओके, थैंक यू।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Spared when the body was found in the abandoned quarter of SAIL ISP at Baranpur at Hirapur police station area. After receiving the information late on Monday night, the police come to the spot. The police took the body in their position and sent it to the district hospital for postmortem. The identity of the deceased could not be ascertained. Still, news was written. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Ram Prasad Mukherjee was closely associated with Indian politics and was known for his distinct ideology. He had also raised his voice to defend Hindutva and he had strongly opposed Article 370, and because of this protest he was kept in Kashmir jail where he died on June 23rd, 1953. Kashmir prison independent done in India, and now in 2021 his dream have been fulfilled by removing the torture 370 335A of the present Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his 120th birthday. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Kulti Youth Congress President Sukanto Das said that just as the bread of the Prime Minister of the country is growing day by day, the price of the cooking gas along with the petrol, diesel and kerosene is also increasing, and it should be brought under GST. But the central government is just dreaming and people are flooded by the Modi Amit Shah. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Inspired by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, textbook were distributed among 100 poor needy children on behalf of West Bengal Trinamool Secondary Teachers Committee in Banthol village under Asansol South Assembly today. The textbook consisted mainly of copy drawing, copy pencil, eraser, color pencil and mask. State President of Primary School Ashok Rudra was present on this occasion. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Emergency meeting was held today by Asansol Minibus Owner Association. Total minibuses in Asansol were closed in Asansol subdivision due to COVID operation in Asansol and were supposed to be reopened from the first, but at the rate at which diesel petrol prices are increasing, the only statement of the owner of the minibus is to increase the rent from the state government. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. A delegation from FOSBE, CCI and Cement Manufacturers Welfare Association of West Bengal CMWA today called on Suresh Kumar IAS, Additional Chief Secretary, Power Department, Senior Vice President, Headquarters from the Government of West Bengal and President of Cement Manufacturer Welfare Association of West Bengal, Pawan Ghutudia, led by in the delegation the Chief Coordinator of the organization and Jammuria Chamber of Commerce and Industries. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Purulia, July 6, Youth Trinamool Congress stake a dharna in Hudda block area of Purulia district in protest of unusual hike in petrol, diesel and cooking gas prices. Trinamool leaders sat on a dharna on Tuesday at Bispuria crossroad of Rakheda, Bispuria area of Hudda block. Trinamool Youth Congress Hudda Block President Amitabh Mahato, Trinamool Youth Congress Rakhera Bispuria Region President Vikas Ranjan Kalindi and others were present on the occasion. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Successful habits create positive rewards. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.